Good morning. Today is Thursday, February 12th, and let's celebrate our Lady Bears basketball team, district champs, once more. Played their senior game, the ladies beat Warren 56-45 this past Tuesday, with Demore Tapia with hitting 18 points and Bella Flemings dropped in 13 points and Janaea Walls scored 11 points to secure the district title. Next up, the first round of the playoffs, they'll go up against Reagan on Tuesday at the Northside Sports Gym at 6:30 p.m. Congrats to our Bears soccer team on a 2-1 win over Satomoyo this past Tuesday. Ison Forrest and Patrick Laughlin each scored a goal, and Aaron Galuski have 4 saves for the win. Tomorrow they'll take on Harlan at Northside Field 2 at 7 p.m. Our Lady Bears soccer team fell to Saitomayo this past Tuesday 4-0. Tomorrow they take on Harlan at Northside Field 2 at 5 p.m. Let's wish our Lady Bears softball team lots of luck at the Brenham tournament today through Saturday. Lots of luck, ladies, against Lubbock, Oak Ridge, Toluso, Midway, and Lake Travis. Our Bears baseball team scrimmage East Central on Tuesday, will scrimmage TV tomorrow, and play the Derby on Saturday. Our Bears basketball team, ranked 5th in the state by Max Prep, took on Stevens yesterday and will face Taft at Harlan District Gym at 12:30 this Saturday. And once more, here's a shout out to our Bears track and field 4x4 relay team for taking on a school record from 2019. This entire group returns from last year's better and more determined with a new 3 minutes and 19.40 seconds record at the NEISD meet. Seniors, Brennan will be hosting FAFSA's workshop in February to assist families in completing financial aid applications. The next one is tomorrow. Also, remember, the Alamo Promise deadline is February 28th. Check out the flyers or stop by the Career Center A142. It's also Valentine's week. What could be sweeter gift than bags full of candy and little stuffed bears for Valentine? You're in luck. The Bait will sell stuffed bear bags tomorrow and Friday during lunch periods. Check out their ad. Go by and pick up your sweets. If you like, you can order tomorrow and have it delivered for free on Friday through 2nd through 5th period. You can still get your groove on at Brennan PTSA Silent Disco Fundraiser, The Silence of the Bears. You will need your headphones and pass to get ready to dance quietly tomorrow. Get your tickets for $5 online at Brennan PTSA on Instagram and Facebook. Seniors, time is running out for your apply for Northside Counselors Association scholarship. The deadline is tomorrow. The NCA award 5 $500 scholarships. Scan the QR code to get your application in. Finally, today is to continue Kindness Week Spirit Days with Color Brennan with Kindness Day. We'll finish tomorrow with Impress Others with Kindness Day. Also, 2 teachers will be crowned King and Queen of Kindness at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow in the cafeteria. This is all we have for today. Be sure to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for us at Instagram. If you miss any parts of the broadcast, catch us up on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. Have a great day. Let's keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in our learning and continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.